Toto. I don't think we're in Porthcawl anymore. That's correct. We got so fed up, we booked a last minute break to Spain. And we're going to do a little Andalucian road trip. We're going to go to Costa del Sol, up to Granada, then across to Seville. And here's what's coming up in the first episode. Join us. Well, good morning from Spain.
Good morning.
In particular, we're on the Costa del Sol and we're in the town of Nerja. Apologies to all the Spanish people out there. So anyway, we're here for a couple of days before driving up to Granada, then across to Seville. So we're going to take you with us into town and just have a look around. We've never been here before, have we?
No.
So come with us as we explore Nerja. Oh wait, look at the tower in the background there.
Yeah.
It's like the Shark Tower from Jaws.
Is it? Yeah, I suppose so.
But I tell you what was nice this morning.
We saw dolphins.
Yeah, having breakfast in a hotel and watching the dolphins.
In the Hotel Monica.
Yeah. They weren't in the Hotel Monica,
No.
they were in the sea. That would have been a surprise. Anyway, enough yabbering, let's go into town. By the way, as we walk into town, we are guessing the way. So, I haven't really looked at the map, but I just assume it's this way. It is quite early in the morning, so a lot of the shops haven't opened yet. This is important. Mel's checking out the fridge magnets. €2. How's that compare in your fridge magnet?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, is it?
Not as cheap as Portugal. But
Okay.
cheap for a fridge magnet.
There we are. That's your fridge magnet update for today. So the noise has stopped for a few minutes, just as we've reached the Balcón de Europe.
We think.
Yeah, Balcony of Europe. Well, what are your initial thoughts on Nerja?
Just in my eyes. It's a nice little town.
It is a nice little town.
Yeah.
Shame all the builders are out today.
Yeah.
But apart from that, yeah, it's a quite nice size as well. You know, it's a fair sized town, but not city-ish, you know. It's still pretty relaxed. A lot of little squares, places to eat and drink.
Yeah.
And,
The old town looks nice. A little bit of older Spanish architecture.
Yeah. It's a nice little place.
Yeah.
Look, I got all shiny.
I need a drink already.
Let's go.
It's warmed up
Let's
a
go
bit.
back into town and have a look around.
It's warmed up a bit.
Yeah, it's a decent. About 19, 20 degrees, I would say.
It was cooler this morning. It was cool last night, but we
Okay.
definitely need like a cardigan and stuff. In
Okay, thanks for the weather update.
People wanted this information.
Okay,
All right.
bring your cardie. That's Mel's advice. It's early March, and a lot of places are just opening up, aren't they? I see signs open within the next, if they're not open now, they're opening up within the next couple of weeks.
And I think a few things have been shut over the winter.
Yeah. So this is what you do when you come to Spain. Sit in a cafe in the square all day, drinking coffee and Coke. And at a certain time, that becomes wine.
Sangria.
Yeah.
Hard spirits.
I'm exhausted, and all I've done is have breakfast, walk 10 minutes, and stop in a cafe.
You didn't go all breakfast. I
A lot,
did take it
yeah.
out of you, didn't I?
And last night, Mel saw a cowboy in the bar, which for some reason she nicknamed Dave Growler. Is that a cowboy name? Dave Growler?
Changed it to Dave Gringo then.
No, Dave Growler.
Dave Growler.
Rush Nightlife.
I don't know why.
I think the weather's changed. What do you think, Marcus? It's not very nice up there.
We could have a holiday without you filming for one.
No, we can't have that, can we, viewers? No, we can't have that. Anyway, that was a quick look at the town centre. So now we're going to explore the surrounding countryside, aren't we?
We are.
Going to drive up and look for some of those little pretty whitewashed villages.
It's blowing a gale
Yeah,
here.
the wind's picked up. We brought the weather with us. We came here to escape the storms, and it's really windy.
Yeah.
By the way, this is where we're staying, the Monica Hotel. Let's have a look at that. So we've driven up into the hills behind Nerja, and we brought the weather with us. Look at those
I've got a
skies.
jacket.
It is nice. And look at that. We're going. That's where we're going.
What's the place called, Marcus?
I don't know. I do know, but I don't want to pronounce it. Well, I'll do. I'll stick it up there and find out how to pronounce it later. Anyway, it's a bit bracing at the moment, but the forecast is for sun.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, let's go to the town. This place is like a maze. Mel nearly went down the steps then. Out of breath already. Oh, imagine being the postman. Oh, listen to that wind. Now, don't worry, it's downhill.
Okay. The bells.
So that's the Costa del Sol done in a flash. Next we're heading up to Granada, so that's coming up in the next video.
I hope the weather's improved.
Yeah.
Because today it's 7 degrees and raining there.
That's worse than Porthcawl.
It was the same actually. In fact, Porthcawl was actually sunny today.
Oh my God.
So,
We're bringing the weather with us. But look, it has brightened up.
it is warmer now.
Anyway, onward to Granada.